Getting married inside a moving train. Wow, omo, these are the first person wey go do that thing. I think they all done before. I'm not sure. Una know actor Farouk, how they call am Farouk, faqua Shawn and his bride. They do their tradition yesterday, the day before yesterday. Now their white wedding is inside a train, a moving train. Omo, hey hey, this is so nice, so pretty. Wow, like e just be like destination wedding wey you go dey you dey the wedding but you dey move. This is nice. Like, how did they even come up with that idea? Looks so cute. Wow. Congratulations to him and his bride though. You get so beautiful and you get top passable. I'm so happy. Oh, for all the gbas wey dey Nigeria, good things dey happen. I'm happy for them. Oh, congratulations. God bless your union. Wow, this is nice. Inside train, oh. I don't think come with train for the cost. It's really nice. I'm happy for him. Congratulations. Wow.
Now, if it's your own husband, you have to
Imagine.
search before you
Nice.
find. And if you have the wrong glasses, my friend, you will find the wrong man. There was a Fulani man.
Guys, we're getting married on the train.
Wow! First ever
Oh my god.
breaking record.
We're here. I'm
Sick.
so overwhelmed.
Bro,
Oh my
feels
god.
like a
Hi guys. I'm getting married on the train. Can you beat that?
This is nice, oh. Yeah. So elegant. And as na train, so nothing like bumpy road or anything. To just be going smoothly. That's nice. So cute. Aww. All the concepts that they finish. Oh. Which one person want? Is it concept? Be concept. Which one person want can do for him own now? Ideas not they finish. So we reach that bridge, we go cross them. Congratulations to them.